Subscribers, we stop at Quick Fix Garage and we caught up with one of the bad mechanic, bad driver. Most people in the street call him Quick Mix as a result of the fact that he's also a DJ. General, how you doing this morning?
Very up and running, number boss.
Blessings, General. Now, we like the machine and that's why we're featuring the machine in the vlog. Tell viewers and subscribers a little bit about your machine, my brother.
Well, people, you know, we have a 4A engine, bad 4A. We got like a pep up on the program, as you can see. And you know, we have a limited gearbox, 4-speed gearbox. Yeah, up and running past some 15, 195.50.
You want to just tell the fans them a little bit about the machine?
Yeah, man, well, you know, we have a little sound system in there, you know. So, we love music, so tomorrow now, take out the sound. Come out and check, come go and look pull out tight and show.
Make some people see how the machine run.
You understand?
Blessings, General. It's a good look. Me like how they take care of the machine. Just keep it up. You say it have a Honda program.
Yeah, man, Honda program.
And a like a bass map.
Bass map, yeah.
Blessings, General. Wish you all the best and we look forward to seeing you at the track. Respect.
Yeah,
up. Outside. Quick Fix Garage. Badness. 5A badness to the world. You heard what I said. 5A badness to the world. We're at Quick Fix Garage in Tucker Irving. And like I said, we just caught up with the 5A King for Western Jamaica, Montego Bay in Tucker Irving. Tucker Irving. 5A badness to the world. sponsors for this machine. Badness to the world. Sammy Dread.
Bless your love, you know.
Respect, Aya.
And manners.
A while ago when the general do the drifting, you know, you may argument now. A while ago when the Dread do the drifting, you say a thing and I want you to repeat it so viewers and subscribers, not in Jamaica, all over the world.
Do over.
What you said to me a while ago?
You say I do over, I see them things, yeah.
When the Dread drift a while ago, you feel like you're at Dover?
Yeah.
And you've been to Dover before?
Before. So I know that.
Listen, me no guy, bro, me come here for.
General.
Up, you know.
You rate the Rasta man and it's a good
Yeah, man,
look.
big up myself.
Blessings, General. Stay
Blessings,
safe,
brother,
yeah?
far.
Mad. Badness. Badness in the camp. General.
Blessed.
It's a pleasant good afternoon. How are you doing, brother?
Doing great, you know, sir.
Awesome.
Thanks, you know what I mean?
Giving thanks for life.
Yes,
we love the machine, hence we ask you to open so we can see what inside the machine engine room looks like.
Yeah.
It's a good look. You want to just tell viewers and subscribers a little bit about the machine and where it was built?
Right at this garage, you know, Rasta built it.
As in
Badness.
5A Badness built this from scratch?
Yeah, he did.
Awesome. And what's inside there?
4A-G, you know, black top 20 ball Honda program. You take off the intake box and just around the horns.
Okay, 1 second. Let's just zoom in. A lot of persons are considering this mod. And just so you know, the Rasta that we came here to do an interview with today, we understood that he did the modification. 5A Badness did the modification.
Yeah.
And the whole engine built.
Yeah. It was tuned by RJ.
RJ out of Montego Bay did the tuning.
Yes, he did.
Was it just a base map or you actually did that tuning on the dyno?
He did it. No dyno.
No dyno?
Road tune.
Okay.
Road tune. You know?
Well, we did a track tune, man. We don't tune on the road. We did a track tune.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, cool.
Track tune it was.
All right.
Ironshore.
Okay, awesome. And this machine hopefully might not make it to Jam West this weekend, but it will be at the local tracks.
Definitely.
The local track this weekend.
Yeah, we will do. It's more of a, you know,
A family car, your day-to-day grocery getter.
But it's no pushover.
So the average car drive up a Mark X, a Crown, Trace, they have to be careful. You tell me.
They need to be careful.
They need
Yeah, that no sound bad.
to be careful. Awesome. General, I love the paint job. I love how the engine looks. And I'm sure it's not just for looks. It's a good look. I am profoundly grateful that you took the opportunity to have us look at your machine and let the world see what's inside there. Definitely. Thank you very much. Safe trip. Enjoy the rest of your day, my brother.
Clean as a go!
Clean as a go, LeatherBelt. Yeah, man, clean as to go, LeatherBelt. Clean as to go. Yeah, walk them with the belt. Walk them with the belt, LeatherBelt. Yeah, outside with it. Walk them. Clean as to go. Bad machine. Bad machine. Bad machine. Normal energy, man.
Yeah.
Normal energy. We don't drink for this. We just party.
But where's about the car, you know?
Eh?
Where's about the car?
Boss. Boss, I best, man. Normal energy.
Viewers and subscribers, we just caught up with Rastaman, one of the foundation drivers for the 5A motor vehicle in Western Jamaica. Most people know him as Bad Ras, 5A Badness, or Hardball. General, how you doing?
Yes, my general. I have a good day so far, you know.
Great. The machine that people are looking at right now, you built it from scratch?
Built it from scratch. Only the body in a build.
Only the body in a build?
Yes.
So everything that is inside the gearbox and engine, you did
Everything
that?
I built.
Let me ask you a personal question you really don't have to answer. As it relates to internals, cams, retainers, springs, anything like that that is aftermarket?
No, stock.
Everything is stock?
Everything is stock inside of it.
Awesome.
Everything.
Are there any plans to upgrade the build that we're looking at right now?
Yeah, I have a great plan to build a 5A car. Want to do some time in at Vernon Field.
You'd love to take it to Vernon Field?
Yeah, to do some time in.
Let me ask you, Ras, you have a sponsor, yes or no?
No, you know, so we don't really have no sponsor. And I would like to have a sponsor, you know, to push the 5A more.
One or many sponsors?
Many more.
Anything you can get?
Anything I can get. Kind, cash, parts, anything.
You're willing?
5A go faster.
So if somebody in Kingston call and tell you tomorrow morning we have a gearbox that will make this go faster, you'll make arrangement for it to get to you?
Make arrangement for it and go for it.
If it's color for your car, you're just open-minded, anything?
Anything.
Now, let's take it a step further, Russ. You've been driving for many, many years, and you've been working with a 5A. Now, you recently ran at a drag strip. I'm not going to name the drag strip, but you recently ran a race at a drag strip, and you went up with a K-Series. Tell Jamaica, tell the world a little bit about the race.
Yeah, man. See that K there? From year to year, me that kill that K.
That's a really...
It's not the first time you're killing the K?
It's not the first time I kill the K.
Okay.
Yeah, so We have a final run for make with a K there. And a Sunday I'm gonna like if you have.
Okay, so we're using this platform right now to say, listen, corporate Jamaica, you're willing to run with that K once again. To settle all the argument.
Settle all the argument.
And you're fearless.
Yeah, we don't want no gear for miss or nothing.
Okay.
We want everyone go escape.
When you say you don't want anybody to miss a gear, you're referring to yourself or the other driver?
The other driver, man.
Okay.
Ain't no miss gear, man. You don't know that.
5A no miss gear.
Gearbox with a mash up. Yeah, so 5A that.
Okay.
5A badness to the world, them to know. Yeah, baddest engine this time I built 5A.
5A, strong.
Stop bone, 5A.
But you would love to put some internals in it?
Yes, man, because we look on 12 out type.
You'd love to run 12 with a 5A?
Yes, man, and that's for me dream feet.
Awesome.
Yeah, man.
Awesome. Rastaman, tell the world what exactly goes on at this garage right here.
Everything down here at this garage.
When you say everything, I mean body work?
Body work, modification, everything, spray, everything. Just name it, all kind of welding.
While we were looking at some 5A earlier on, is it that at this garage you fix just about any engine? It doesn't matter what?
No matter what engine, any engine.
Okay.
And we have a set of 5A, 4A, and 7A and 25. And all of them, we have them to bring them around. A couple of them.
Okay. I am sure it's not a one-man thing, it's a team. So there are a few persons that you'd like to give a shout or big up to, if you may. You want to just call some names for some people we need to just acknowledge right now?
Yes, man. Only for people for acknowledge, you know, call Tegan for acknowledge them, and they help me out far.
Tegan?
Yes, man. Tegan, my general too, man.
Tegan the general?
Yeah, man. Dan,
Tegan
man.
General. Anyway, them my brother, big up.
Yes, man. Anyway, I roll them, my boss. Big up. His son, same here, Dan, man.
Dan, man?
Yeah, man. Big up.
That's, I was told he's the youngest fabricator in Jamaica. We'll catch up with him in a minute.
Yes, man. Father knows too. Kirby. All of them team and my team, them same here. You see it?
Blessings.
Yeah. So the whole garage.
Where in Montego Bay you're located? Just let people, I am at the garage, but just tell people where you're located.
St. James, Tucker Irwin.
Good. You have a number if they want to reach out to one of the fabricator or somebody that specializes in mechanic work they can reach you at?
Yes, man. Just reach you by this number anytime, man.
313
2549.
2549.
Yeah.
Blessings, General.
Yeah, LeatherBelt. One word me have to tell us. Me build K, and me also kill K. See, a 5A badness to the world. And if you know, me not tell a guy if you're not bad, you're not bad. No matter what you run, if me not say you're bad, you're not bad. We are a bad man, but A to the world.
Blessings, General.
Yeah.
Viewers and subscribers, we just caught up with Jamaica's youngest fabricator. I repeat, we just caught up with Jamaica's youngest fabricator. General, how you doing?
Awesome, I'm doing alright, you know?
Awesome.
Awesome day, man.
Blessings. What's your name for the record?
My name is Dante Salmon, known as Dan Man. He's my youngest fabricator.
Okay, based on what we were told, I'm not saying there is no other young fabricator here in Jamaica, but persons you can go, well, viewers and subscribers, you can check out his Instagram page. What's your Instagram page?
Dan_JDM Lover, isn't it?
Dan_JDM Lovers?
DAN_JDM Lover.
Lover.
Yeah.
Awesome. Now, just tell Jamaica, tell the world about some of the things that you do. Let's start with this car right here.
Alright, this car right here, built it from scratch from Shell. This is a stock 4A FE with a lot of goodies around it.
When you say lots of goodies, you want to emphasize a little bit more.
So 500cc injector.
Okay, let's check it out right here. Awesome.
Turbo starlet ECU, turbo starlet distributor, 20-valve distributor, turbo starlet cap. External car like me at the same way.
Let me ask you, who did the fabrication for you?
We do all our fabrication on this vehicle right now.
The fabrication and the mechanic work?
Yes.
Awesome.
And
so you're also a mechanic.
Technician as well. But big up Sus.
Big up Sus.
Big up Sus.
What is it that Sus did for you?
Sus, why brain for me?
Okay.
And the external car like that, the same way. And the gray blue, same way.
Oh, you have ready blue on your machine?
Yes.
Have you had the chance to take this car to a dyno?
Not as yet.
Not as yet. So you did a track tune?
Yes.
Okay. What kind of numbers you're hoping to make with this car?
Well, this car can make a good number for a stock for you, but right now I look 200 horsepower as a daily driving car.
So if you get 200 on a dyno, you're comfortable?
Yes.
Okay.
So
now back to fabrication. You said you did all the fabrication work on this here.
yes. This is a Honda extractor converted to 4A.
And you did all the welding.
Yes, there's a M24 turbo. External wastegate 2.5 inch buffer system right out. Straight pipe.
2.5.
Yes, straight pipe. Straight pipe. Stock internal, as we say.
Yeah, you said you did a overall of the engine recently. What exactly it is that you did?
Fresh rings, bearings, you know. Service up here. Valve seal.
Okay.
Fresh up, you know,
Just
and
make sure.
smoke a little bit, so we just fresh them up back for you.
I have a small concern with the recent revision of the Road Traffic Act and with cars with loud noise and with how the system is right now. Are there any plans to quiet this little young lady here a bit?
Yes, man. We have free flow silencer, so now will affect your vehicle and any performance.
Free flow silencer.
Yes.
I've never heard the term before, but this is something that you fabricated and you're offering to the wider public.
Yes.
Awesome. And I am being told that there's a car here with that system installed to it.
Yes.
Is it a 20 valve?
20 valve and boost.
And the world will get a chance to see that car and see how it works.
Yes.
And listen for themselves.
Right,
Awesome. Like I said, we understand, and based on what we saw, you're doing a great job, an excellent job for that matter. Keep it up, and we wish you all the best in your future endeavors. What's your contact number for the record?
497-2396.
And this is your business number. You can be contacted on it anytime between 8 and 5.
Yes.
Awesome.
And before you go, just want to say big up True Boost.
True Boost.
#1 sponsor. That.
He is your #1 sponsor for this machine.
Yeah, man. Big up True Boost, man. Straight.
True Boost, wherever you are, big up.
Big up True. And big up Geddes the same way, you know?
Geddes the tuner,
Yes, man. Big up Geddes, man.
wherever you are.
Big up Geddes.
Blessings. Thank you, sir. All the best. AJ spends his weekends at the garage. His father is one of the mechanic here at the garage. As a result, he is learning the trade. AJ, how are you doing?
Fine.
You're fine? Awesome. You're learning mechanic work, right? No, not yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. When you grew up, with all the cars that you've seen at the garage here, what's in it? What kind of car you'd like to own when you get older? Starlet? Not a Honda, Starlet. Not a Nissan, Starlet. What kind of engine you want to put inside a car?
5.
What?
5A.
5A. And the reason why you want to put a 5A is because?
Fast.
Say it louder.
It's fast.
5A fast. Are you going to put a turbocharge on it? Turbo? Definitely. Continue practicing, CJ. Focus on your schoolwork. Stay focused, stay out of trouble. And we wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Stay in school. We're still at Tegan's garage. And we have one final car to look at. Blessings General, the fabrication boss. In ensuring that the turbo is up and ready. This is not your car, is it?
No, sir.
It's not?
Bridging camera.
Okay. Is it okay for us to get a little insight as to what's happening right here?
Yes, man. And they give me permission to let you know what's going on.
Blessings General. What is that, 20 valve?
Yes, man. 20
All right. You want to just tell viewers and subscribers a little bit about the build? You know a little bit about the build?
Yes, man.
All right. Go ahead.
So with the engine?
Engine, turbo, the whole 9 yards.
So this is a fully built 20 valve.
When you say fully built, some people use the term fully built, and when I look at fully built, I'm thinking cams, retainers, springs, the whole 9 yards.
Yes, man. This is a whole 9 yards, man.
All right, explain. Just elaborate a little.
So valve, spring, and retainers, CP, manly rods, and piston.
Manly rods?
Yes.
In a 20 valve?
Yes.
Serious stuff, lots of money spent.
Yes, man.
Continue.
Met, it have Met panel.
Met system to cool down the turbo.
Yes, man.
Good.
Top mount turbo, M12. It's a AR50 front. I think 57 back housing.
You did the turbo installation?
Yes, man. Turbo setup done by me and fully 3-inch pipe out, silent.
You said silent, and probably that's one of the things I probably wanted to ask you. With the newly revised Road Traffic Act, You said even with all this big setup, it's quiet.
Yes, man. Fully quiet.
Why is it that this one is quiet as to most cars that are out there with the same build?
Alright, so with this we have a nice, what's say, resonator underneath it. Silencer, free flow same way. So silent, free flow.
And
Daily driving car
will not affect the back pressure in any way, shape or form.
As I say, it's free flow right through.
You want to just start the car for me, please? You have the key?
Yes, sir.
General, remove that for me, please. We don't believe in revving up a car right after you start it, but just touch a little bit. Just touch the accelerator for a minute for me, please. Just a little. Okay. Nice. And this car was also built at this garage here. Fabrication outside of a building built was done here. Awesome. Thanks once again, my brother. Enjoy the rest of your day. Rastaman.
Regular build 5A, man. Ready for them on road. Anyway, we see them come out there. Alright, normal 5A.
Trouble.
Trouble. Trouble night.
5A camp. We're at the 5A camp, I said. And it's another Rastaman.
Beat them up on road. Anyway, we see them.
Blessings, General.
I mean.
General. Blessings, my brother.
Yes, my brother.
Your machine?
Yes, sir.
Blessings. It's a good look, excellent paint job. Who did the paint job?
We do everything, you know.
When you say everything, you're talking about paint job and the engine work?
Everything.
Transmission, everything. Blessings. Viewers and subscribers need to know you if they don't decide or want to come visit. Your name for the record?
T-Gun.
T-Gun.
Yeah,
T-Gun, what's your contact number?
507-9834.
507 9834.
Yeah.
What kind of engine you're running here, my brother?
It's a 4G64. No?
4G.
64.
Good. How much pound of boost you plan to run on this machine?
About 25.
About 25 pound of boost.
Yeah, about 18 now.
It's on about 18. And what kind of horsepower you plan to make with this?
About 600.
About 600.
Yeah.
Fully built?
Fully built. Right, top to bottom.
Top to the lower part. It's a good look. I love the paint job. Rims are cool. This machine, I'm being told, after it has been tuned, will be coming to a track near you. T-Gun, thank you. T-Gun is the man who controls or runs this garage.
Engineer.
Engineer, fabricator, painter, you name it. Blessings, my brother. Stay safe, all the best. Let me ask you this. What makes this garage that we're at right now, Quick Fix Garage, and I'm sure the name speaks its volume, what makes it different from any other garage in Jamaica?
Yeah, man, because you know the price right, timing right. So if you bring a vehicle, you tell us a 2-day time or 2-day time. We don't pass that.
Whether for the mechanic work,
we do everything.
Okay, fabrication, painting,
everything.
Whatever timeline you give the customer, that's what you're working with.
That's what we're working.
Awesome.
We're not cheap, but we're just reasonable.
I like how you put it. You're not a cheap garage,
no,
but you're very reasonable. You can compete with anybody else.
Yeah, we're always on time.
Always on time.
That's why we're doing Quick Fix. One-stop shop.
One-stop shop.
Everything. You name it. For the price right, we just go ahead and do it.
Thank you very much, my brother. We wish you all the best.
Yes,
a successful year.